We all are now living in this wonderful age of technology. This technology has made it possible for all of us to do a lot of things without having to step out. We can shop for things, watch movies, learn new skills, and even get university degrees from the comfort of our homes. Along with all this, we can now also earn money online without having to step out. Today, for college students whose classes have been suspended, for the new office worker who is left wondering when the offices will reopen, I have compiled a list of best online jobs without investment that you can begin working almost immediately. So like I said, I have picked a variety of well-paying jobs online which you can do from your comfort of your home and at your own pace. These online jobs can fetch you a minimum of ₹1,000 per day. So whether you're a student, a housewife, or even a working professional who is looking to make some extra money on the side, then make sure that you watch this video till the end, because these days relying solely on your salary cannot help you save much for your future. So before we get to the list of online jobs that one can opt for, let me tell you some interesting facts about work from home. So the first and foremost is that there aren't any scams. They offer payment from the first day itself. And there is an option for working part-time. And there is also no qualifications needed for most of the jobs that you opt for. Numerous home-based jobs are available that do not require any investment. And the best part is that you can also make up to ₹4,500 daily in some of the jobs that you choose. Now getting back to the list of jobs that one can opt for, the very first one is data entry. All companies nowadays deal with data in one form or the other. Since companies keep sending or receiving data on a daily basis, the need for people who can handle this data and enter it into their system increased exponentially. Most companies outsource such clerical jobs, and that is how data entry as a gig became increasingly popular. So regardless of which company you choose to work for, data entry jobs do not have any high requirements. If you have a laptop or a PC with a secure internet connection and some basic typing skills, you are good to go. Data entry includes various categories under it. It includes like typists, coders, transcribers, word processors, and data processors, etc. So depending on your skill level and your expertise, you can choose to work under any of these categories. The next one is online educator. As technology advances, more and more services are being brought to the comfort of our homes. Education is one of them. Most students nowadays prefer studying online as it is convenient and saves travel time. Apart from this, online courses give students the flexibility to work at their own pace and choose their classes and modules. As online education is gaining prominence, the need for online educator is also on the rise. So if you are a trained teacher or an expert in a particular field, this might be just the job for you. You can earn ample amounts of money by educating or tutoring students online. So depending on your experience in the field of teaching, the paycheck of this online job only gets higher. The next one is become an insurance POSP. One of the top ways to earn money online with zero investment, no time constraints, and working from home is to become a POSP, which is point of sales person. A POSP is an insurance agent who works with an insurance company to sell specific insurance products online. As a POSP agent, you will be able to help customers choose the right insurance policy for them as per their personal needs. So what are the requirements here? Well, the only requirements to become an insurance agent is that you must be over 18 years of age and you should have completed class 10. Following this, all you have to do is complete the 15-hour compulsory training offered by the IRDAI to get a general or life insurance license. And how much are you expecting to earn up here in this job? Well, there's a lots of scope in selling different types of policies, and your income would depend on the number of policies you sell. Well, so this basically means that the more policies you sell, the faster you can earn a higher income. So anybody with an aptitude for selling can become a POSP agent as long as you have a smartphone and a good internet connection. The next one is through freelancing. Freelance work is one of the most popular ways to make money online, and you do not need any kind of investments to start this work. All you need to do is identify a few key portals and register yourself as a freelancer. Then you need to market your skills to the potential clients by sharing some of the sample works. So what are the requirements here? Well, if you're good at writing, programming, editing, designing, or a number of other skills, then you can make money online by becoming a freelancer. These days, many businesses are increasingly handing out smaller tasks to freelancers. So how much are you expecting to earn here? Well, based on the kind of work you offer, you can easily find high-paying gigs as a freelancer. Some of the websites that offer genuine work includes Freelance India, 99 Design, Upwork, Truelance, Fiverr, etc. So these are the few websites that will offer you freelancing work. The next one is affiliate marketing and Facebook marketing. Another method to earn online is via affiliate marketing and partly Facebook marketing, as it requires equal use of both. Here, the basic job you need to do is to promote a particular product on Facebook. Affiliate marketing is basically writing appealing descriptions of the product which you tend to promote for other people or even companies. You find a suitable product, promote it to the others, and then earn some amount of profit every time someone buys the product from your link. This is where the Facebook comes into play. It's a tool that is used for your product's promotion. So here, what are the required skills? Well, basic editing and content writing skills is what is required to create attractive posts for Facebook. In addition to this, you also need to know some promotional skills for the post that you're selling. So now let's get into the steps involved here as to how you can promote your product on Facebook. So the very first basic step is you need to create a Facebook page. And then the next step is to promote your content and get the traffic on your page. Next, you can also use option of Facebook ads for promoting your post faster and get more traffic. This step, however, is not compulsory. So the more number of people buy the product through your link, the more money you get. This is as simple as that. The next one is micro or part-time job sites. Micro job or part-time job sites offer small doable tasks which once completed you get instant payment from the client who assigns the task to you. These tasks mainly consist of link building, logo making, and designing, Photoshops, video editing, proofreading, content writing, etc. Now, even if you don't have knowledge about these tasks, not to worry, it doesn't matter, because you can simply learn these skills by simply spending 1 or 2 hours on YouTube. The next one is selling homemade items. This is another way you can make easy money from home without any monetary investment. So what is the requirement here? Well, if you have skills in the fields of arts and crafts or cooking, it is quite simple to sell your homemade products online. And how much can you expect in this job? Well, depending on the products you sell, your marketing skills, and the selling partner site you opt for, you can even set a product at high prices. Once you know what you wish to make and sell, you just need to register yourself as a seller on sites such as Amazon, Flipkart, Ajio, IndiaMart, etc. The next one is test apps and websites before they go live. Another simple way to make money is by testing out apps and websites. Since companies and app developers don't want their users to get confused by their apps and sites, they hire users to do what they call as beta testing. Essentially, they test out their sites or apps and report their user experience or identify any bugs or problems before they go to the public. So what are the requirements here? Well, to do this, you don't need any special knowledge. So this is good for those looking for work from home or for part-time work. How much can you expect to earn here? Well, depending on how long and how complex the beta testing process is and your experience with the beta testing, you can earn up to ₹1,000 to ₹3,000. The next one is social media manager. Just like online presence, social media presence is also extremely important for the success of a business. Social media plays a huge role in building a brand image for a business. Therefore, companies need creative and strategic minds to handle their social media and build a brand out of it. If you're someone who gets a lot of likes on your social media posts and you think you have some creative juices, then this job is something that you can consider. As a social media manager for a brand, you must be able to create engaging content, plan out social media campaigns, and build a potential customer base for the company. This job requires you to be able to use applications such as Photoshop, HubSpot, etc. And the last one is translators. A large number of international businesses, authors, and scholars need translators so that their work can reach every corner of the world. If you're someone who is fluent in 2 or more languages, then you can definitely encash on it. As a translator, you might have to translate website articles, letters, books, and sometimes audio clips from a foreign language to your language with utmost accuracy. The paycheck for quality translator increases by the day, and this could be a great earning opportunity for you. So these were some of the online jobs that can fetch you a minimum of ₹1,000 or even more depending on the role you take on. Let me also tell you that it could be difficult to find easy but legitimate ways to earn money online, as the internet is full of fake agencies, scams, and frauds. Let me tell you that you need to be very careful if any site that asks you for any registration fee before providing work or ask you for your personal information. Look out for websites that take advantage of your work skills, but they won't pay you enough as compensation. A great way to avoid such fraudulent websites and companies is that you need to research any site thoroughly and read upon the reviews and comments that the people might have left behind. Always remember to read the contract that they offer you before signing. Just by utilizing your time better and becoming more productive, you can make a little bit of extra side money just sitting at home without absolutely no money invested. Also, if you're someone who wants to get into business, you want to start your own business, you want to be an entrepreneur, or you want to get into farming, then we have multiple exclusive courses built for you guys that is available only on our Financial Freedom app, where we will teach you how you can establish your own business or how you can do a particular farming. So hurry up and download our Financial Freedom app from Play Store or App Store. Also, before going, do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon to get notified for our next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com. Get wise, break free.